Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to single space. So we have this example documents, and if you want to change spacings, you can select all the documents paragraph and then go to paragraph menu in the home tabs, and in here you can see we have this option line and paragraph spacing. As default, it will be set into the single space, but you can change like into 1.15 or 1.5 to 0. If you click, it will be automatically apply into the selected paragraph. The other option, you also can click at these options to move into paragraph settings and go to spacings. Now in here you can see the line spacing will be set into doubles. It means you set into 2. If you want to set into single, you can click on drop down menu and then choose on the single option. Click OK to apply. So you can see again more option in here. Okay, I will set like into multiple. You can change multiple at this point. So it based on your settings in the line spacing. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to single space. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.